Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share a Shakarpara recipe that is very soft and mouth melting. So you can see how beautiful these layers are. So let's start the recipe. So here into the big bowl I'm taking 4 cups of Maida, 3 and 4th, and into that I will add just a pinch of salt to just balance out the sweetness. And here I have taken a 3/4 cup of melted ghee. So you can take any bowl or cup for measurement. So just make sure you use the same cup or bowl for the all the ingredients. So you can see it's enough um, ghee. And here I have added around a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. So now into the pot I am taking 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water. Now we will just make a sugar water. We don't want to make sugar syrup. So we will just let it cool down, and once it's completely cooled down we will add to the flour mixture. So I will add little by little. Don't add all at once. So here we are kneading a dough like little bit hard, stiff. We don't want like too hard, but not too soft. So here you can see it's coming together. I have used all the waters, and I feel like there is more the dough need more water. So I have added around 3 tablespoons of more regular water. You can add just regular water. So now it's all coming together. So you can see it's right now it's not that smooth in texture. So we need to knead this dough for at least 5 minutes. So I will just make it 2 parts and start kneading the dough until I see the smooth texture on the top. Now you can see the kneaded dough has a smooth texture compared to the non-kneaded. So now we will make a part out of it, and this will make like um, four big balls. So now we will start rolling the ball. So we are going to roll it like pretty thick. So that's how we will see the beautiful layers. If you want to roll it very thin, that's fine too, but it will be puffed up. It won't get any layers. So here I have rolled it pretty thick. So I will cut the sides as it's not smooth. So I have cut the sides, and now I will cut it in square pieces. You can cut in your desired shape and size. I will make a small square pieces here. Now just separate it out. So on side I have heat up the oil on low medium, and once you see that dough, little bit part of dough, then there is only small bubbles on the side, so that means the oil is ready. Now once you add the shakkarpara, don't use the spatula right away. Just let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. When you see it start floating, then only you can use a spoon. You can use a spoon, or so spoon is the easy option to move it. Once you see it has changed its color, it's ready to be out. So this batch took me around 12 to 15 minutes to get cooked. So make sure your temperature is on a low medium. You don't want to fry it on a high flame, otherwise it will be not fully cooked from inside. You can see how beautiful these layers are, and this is very soft in texture and very mouth melting. So you can try this way, and please let me know in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.